Hey guys, welcome to the channel of the Italian guy. Today I thought to prepare some keto peanut butter chocolate cups. You see, really keto fat bombs, very easy to be made, and they don't cost too much. Follow me in the preparation of the recipe. So just two ingredients to make our delicious fully keto chocolate peanut butter cups. I am using the 95% dark chocolate. I will show you the amount of carbs for 100 grams, 12.7 grams, even though the package is 125 grams. And then the peanut butter, the other ingredients. Be sure to get one with peanut only, you see, because most of them have got sugar added. So be sure to take one with peanuts only. And then I use those cups liners. I put two inside each other to make a firmer base, solid base. Melted the chocolate in the microwave, and then you can just top 1/3 of the height of the liner, and then 15-30 minutes in the freezer to have a solid chocolate base that we can top. Okay, here we are. So now we can add the peanut butter. Be sure not to go too close to the borders, because then otherwise when you feel it and then when you bite it, the effect of the filling doesn't look so nice. So this way, if you remain in the middle, as you can see, when we top with the other chocolate, it will fill the borders and we have a nice filling effect. There is no need to go to put the liners in the freezer this time, because you can just top up with the chocolate, the remaining, and yeah, and then back to the freezer for further 15-30 minutes. And the expiry date, you can refer to the expired dates on the products you have bought, so you know when you can consume them. And that's it. So we do the same with the other one. We just top a little bit, and yeah, here we are. They're very easy, very quick to be made, and they're delicious. Of course, I didn't add any sweetener, but if you feel like, you can add some erythritol or monk fruit or swerve, whatever sweetener you like. And yeah, that's it. I'm going to show you now the coconut milk I use. This is delicious, and you can use this one rather than the peanut butter. For example, you can top the chocolate with peanut butter. Yeah, you can see there is a chocolate trace inside because I just put the teaspoon with melted chocolate inside, and this, believe me guys, is delicious, scrumptious. Yeah, it's 82% content, and it's very, very, very delicious. Here they are, guys. Keto peanut butter chocolate cups. Fat bombs, fully keto. For those of you who can't stand the bitterness of the 95% chocolate, dark chocolate, you can put some erythritol inside. I didn't want to put any more ingredients because I called the video 2 ingredients, peanut butter chocolate cups, so I didn't want to put any other ingredients. But feel free, of course, to add some sweetener of your choice. I use erythritol. And also, rather than putting the filling, the peanut butter filling, you can whip some double cream, heavy cream, and put a tiny bit on the top inside. Or you can use my ketorella recipe. I think it's in Italian language only. I think so. But you can easily translate the ingredients. Or what else? You can put some coconut milk, the solid one. You can leave it in the fridge, and you can put some a little bit, tiny bit on the top, and then cover top with a melted chocolate. The possibilities are endless. So let me know in the comments below if you like those keto fat bombs. If you like them, please subscribe. I wish to thank you, 600 followers, for following me. But if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Help me. I want to reach quota 1000 by the end of the year. I will do my best, but I need your help. And that's it. I really thank you so much, and let's meet at the next recipe. See you. Bye.